Hello YouTube. This is the belt sheath that I just made today for my Victorinox Workchamp. I'd say this one looks a little rougher around the edges than the one I made yesterday for my Swiss Champ, but I'm still learning, and I definitely learned at least one important lesson on this one. And the way this leather looks and the way it is hardened is with beeswax. I brush liquid beeswax onto the pieces of leather before they are sewn, inside and out, and they go into the oven at 170 degrees for 30 minutes. And that's what you end up with. Well, YouTube, thanks for listening.